chief, a debate has escalated over whether he has betrayed the sacrifice of India's martyrs. Encouraged by the reaction of august martyrs' families, the BJP today gunned for the Congress Punjab minister, and Sidhu has hit back, equating his visit with the visits of ex-Prime Minister the late Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
एक्शन होना चाहिए। जब सीएम साहब खुद निंदा कर रहे हैं, हमारे मुल्क का हर जवान का दिल टूटा है, शहीद का अपमान हुआ है, तो इसका एक्शन, इसके पास कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। हम मांग करते हैं कांग्रेस हाई कमांड से। तो आज उस तिरंगे पे लिपट के आए जवानों से मजाक हो गया, तो सिद्धू साहब ने जाके पाकिस्तान के राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह नूं सलूट मारिया, तो साडे अपने राष्ट्रीय तिरंगे का अपमान नहीं है।
नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ने जो किया गलत था,
बहुत गलत किया है, थोड़ा नहीं बहुत गलत किया है।
तो आप दुखी हैं?
दुखी पूरे, बस इन्नी गल अपने को, तो मैं तो बोल नहीं जाता, तुहानू पता है।
Let's in fact go across to our guest. Joining us are Major General KK Sinha, defense analyst, and also Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist. Let me first go across to Major General KK Sinha. Major General KK Sinha, Navjot Singh Sidhu did that press conference. It clearly was not apologetic at all. In fact, he's equating his visit to that of the former late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and saying, what's wrong? Even they went to Pakistan.
Swati, is a total betrayal, and I don't say that it is a betrayal with only the martyrs, but it is a betrayal with the country. You know, he can't go there and just hug the, the man who is responsible for perpetuating the complete mayhem in Kashmir. He is going and hugging them, sitting next to the Prime Minister of POK, who is, we are not recognizing. He has he's walked into a trap willingly. It is not unknowingly he has gone into it, and then coming and justifying himself. He has gone with ambition that he thinks that if the Imran Khan can become the Prime Minister of a failed state, he thinks that he can also become the Prime Minister. He has got ambition, but if he has got that ambition, I think it is something which he should be shameful. And everyone in the country should actually condemn this particular act. It is not only that he is betrayal with the martyrs or the people or the army or the people who are fighting in the Jammu and Kashmir. He has done the betrayal with 1.3 billion people of India. He knows, and he has, he is hugging, and then he has got praises. He has got praises of Bajwa. He is there, he is saying that he is bringing, a message of peace from it.
In fact, let's also take a response from Ashutosh Mishra. Ashutosh Mishra, the justification from Sidhu has not gone down well, obviously, with the families of the martyrs who are outraged and are protesting against Mr. Sidhu today.
So, obviously, they haven't heard what Mr. Sidhu said, why he hugged General Bajwa. He has explained that it was a spontaneous hug of a devout Sikh on learning that they will be given access to Kartarpur for celebration of Guru Nanak's 550th anniversary.
And what about all those families who've lost their sons, who have lost their family members while fighting terrorism, while battling on the LOC?
Yes. They would have been as much hurt when the Prime Minister of India had visited uninvited to Nawaz Sharif family wedding. So it's in no way insulting them, and I am sure that the Jawans will understand that if there is peace between India and Pakistan, everybody will benefit. Nobody wants, no solution has ever been found through a war.
Okay, so you feel that Navjot Singh Sidhu was there to find a solution. He said he has been invited as a friend and he is going there as a friend. And then what happens is the argument is behaving there like a politician. वो किस हैसियत से या किस कैपेसिटी में वहाँ पर पीस की बातें या बेटर रिलेशंस की बातें कर रहे हैं, ना तो उन्हें किसी ने ये जिम्मेदारी दी थी। मेजर जनरल KK Sinha.
Swati, you are very correct, and the gentleman who is speaking on a channel, I do not know him, but if he doesn't know what is the statecraft is, he is equating the Prime Minister with a man who has got no mandate. He is nowhere in the channel of our statecraft. He has gone in his own capacity. For, you know, as far as I'm concerned,
no,
he should not have gone over there. It is a betrayal with the country. And then he is equating with the, the Prime Minister going over there.
Ashutosh Mishra, one second.
He doesn't know what the statecraft is.
Let KK Sinha finish first, and then you can come in.
You can come in, you may be a friend of Imran Khan, you may be the friend of Pakistan. He doesn't know. The last 30 years, we are already in the war with Pakistan. It is a hybrid war, a war which is a proxy. Pakistan is doing it, and our government stand is very correct, and absolutely clear that it has happened after the Uri. It has not happened in 2014. That we will not talk and terror will not go together. They have to stop it, and it happened after Pathankot and Uri this time. And then how the hell, someone goes in his own capacity. First thing, he should not have gone there. Is the Kapil Dev, is the Gavaskar gone there?
Also,
if they are
Ashutosh Mishra,
responsible people,
Navjot Singh Sidhu
he
is
has
singing
got
praises
only the
about
ambition.
Imran Khan.
He thinks that
Maybe,
Imran Khan can become the Prime Minister.
He is talking about cricketer Imran Khan, about his friend Imran Khan, but he should not forget what Imran Khan in the very first speech after he was chosen as the Prime Minister and when he was the PM designate said, lecturing India as far as Kashmir is concerned, saying that there are human rights violations, completely forgetting about the kind of support his party members have taken.
No, first of all, before I answer your question, the gentleman on the other side is obviously unaware. He hasn't read what Gavaskar has written about Imran Khan. Gavaskar has praised Imran Khan, and he hasn't gone because he had said he has commentary.
They are talking about Imran Khan, the cricketer, and Imran Khan.
They are praised.
They are talking
Imran
about
Khan can be
a
very good man. I can also praise.
When they played cricket together. Well, Major General KK Sinha and Ashutosh Mishra, that's all the time I have for this debate. But thank you so much for your time. We're slipping into a very short break with that. Thank you.